Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. On this video we have a 2008 Ford Crown Victoria P71 with about 86,487 on the miles, and guys, about 615 on the idle. Again guys, I'm not making a mistake guys, 615 on the idle hours. Okay, obviously the car is a clean title, it's a one owner. And this car obviously it's been recently serviced, oil change, and ready for smog has been passed as well recently, and its car is now ready for a new owner, right? So, or for new registration. So if you guys would like more information about this vehicle, please give us a call at 909-457-5500 or visit our webpage at www.drive.carsmart.com for full details on the vehicle, more pictures, yeah guys, so remember, all of our cars do come with a 3-month or 3,000-mile limited powertrain service contract for any surprises that any vehicle may give you, right? So we at least want to help you out with that. You can always upgrade to more. So here we go guys. So again, 08 P71, one owner. Let's go. Start from the top. Both Unity spotlights are fully functional. Okay, they do turn on. Okay, you have the brackets on this one, no push bumper. So brackets, all you need is just a push bumper. We don't have any in stock, so or else we would have put one on, but get yourself a push bumper. That's all this vehicle really needs. Okay, the vehicle is on Goodyear Eagle RSA's 235 5517, I believe that's the tire size. Okay, good tire life remaining all the way around. Okay, these antennas on the top are for display only and they are not connected. This is a I believe this is a regular gas. Yeah, regular 87. Actually, well, the cap says ethanol or unleaded, but again guys, we don't go off of that. VIN number to Ford, and Ford would tell us exactly what the vehicle was designed for or spec for, at that it takes the proper amount of gas. Okay, or the correct type of gas, I'm sorry. Absolutely gorgeous, very clean, very sleek. All right, so now let's show you the inside. Okay, so power windows, power door locks, power seats, and trunk release. Okay, all right, so let's go to the miles. 86,478 on the miles, and oops, and 615 on the idle. That's 615 on the idle. All right, so let's go to the back doors. All right, so now let's pop the trunk. Okay, and there is your trunk. Now let's go to the rear passenger door. Okay, let's show you that the spotlight works. There you go. Perfect. So now let's go to the engine compartment and turn this vehicle on. Okay, engine compartment. So remember, guys, we do not spray these engines down with any water, just the plastics. We will clean that. Okay, so we don't want to harm the engine. So I'm going to be quiet now so that you can actually hear the engine idle. Perfect. All right, so now we're gonna actually road test the vehicle. Quick 2-3 block road test and we are done. All right, so first, second, third, brake, tight, first, brake, perfect. All right. Let's give it a let's do a U-turn. Suspension is stiff. Okay. Shift's beautiful. No rattling in the background. Nothing. There's nothing going crazy besides my keys. All right. We'll put some air on one of the tires. I know it's slow. That's why we had that TPMS light, but we'll take care of that. So there you have it, guys. P71 now available to be sold. Please feel free to reach out to us again. Call us, visit our website, send us a message. And guys, remember, click on the description, because description will have some information. We'll show a price, but might not reflect our updated pricing in case we ever change pricing. So that's all you want to go on our website, okay, at www.drivecarsmart.com. Cool. All right, guys, cool. Thanks for watching. Consider hitting the like button to find more cool people like yourself, and consider subscribing for more Interceptor videos, as we do have another batch of cars that we are still working on. And we got some trucks and some utility trucks, big F-250s. We got more Crown Vics, more Explorers, we got a Caprice, we got a Taurus. Yeah, we got a bunch of stuff, and that's just what we have right now. And we have, obviously, the next time we're going to get some cars. We don't know what we're going to get, but we're definitely going to get, for sure, we always get Crown Vics. So all right, guys, appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed rest of the day. Thanks.